Hi student, this is Sukumar, 12th standard Business Mathematics and Statistics, chapter number 6, continuation of exercise 6.2, now problem number 5. You are given probability density function, you are asked to find out mean and variance of x. Okay, here is question number 5, row number line. Minus infinity plus infinity, we have 1 greater than or equal to 1 means 1 to infinity. In this interval f of x is 3 by x power 4. 3 divided by x power 4, that is equal to 3 into x power 4 comes to the numerator, x power minus 4. Otherwise means in this interval minus infinity to 1 f of x equals 0. Since f of x is equal to 0 in this interval, you no need to consider, you have to consider this alone. First we can find mean, after that variance of capital X. Therefore, mean and expectation of x are same. Property, formula minus infinity to plus infinity x into f of x dx. Here we have the interval 1 to infinity. You have to consider this interval only because here f of x is 0. So 1 to infinity f of x. F of x is 3 into x power minus 4. 1 to infinity. 3 is the constant. You can keep outside the integral. X power minus 4 into dx. Already have 1x. This is f of x. Which one is f of x? 3 into x power minus 4. That is equal to 3 integral 1 to infinity. This is x power 1. X power 1 into x power minus 4 is x power 1 minus 4 into dx. That is equal to 3 into integral 1 to infinity x power minus 3 dx. 1 minus 4, that is equal to minus 3 into dx. For this you have to apply that identity integral x power n dx formula. X power n dx equals x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So, x power minus 3 plus 1 divided by minus 3 plus 1, limit 1 to infinity. That is equal to 3 divided by minus 3 plus 1 equals minus 2. X power minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, limit 1 to infinity. That is equal to 3 by minus 2 and minus 3 by 2 are same, x power minus 2 and 1 by x power 2 are same, limit 1 to infinity equals minus 3 by 2 into 1 by, replace x by infinity, infinity square is infinity only, minus 1 by upper limit over, then lower limit 1 square is 1. That is equal to minus 3 by 2, write as it is, 1 by infinity value is 0, minus 1 by 1, that is equal to 1, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 0 minus 1 is minus 1, minus into minus plus 3 by 2 into 1 is 3 by 2. This is E of x. To find the variance, you have to find out expectation of x squared. Expectation of x squared formula is minus infinity to plus infinity x square into f of x dx. Here the same interval 1 to infinity only, write this x square, but f of x, that is equal to 3 into x power minus 4 dx. That is equal to 3, 1 to infinity, x, you add the powers, 2 minus 4 dx. That is equal to 3 into 1 to infinity x power 2 minus 4, that is equal to minus 2 into dx. That is equal to 3 into, same formula what I have given here, same formula only, x power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1, 1 to infinity. That is equal to 3 minus 2 plus 1 equals minus 1, x power minus 1, 1 to infinity. 3 by minus 1 equals minus 3, x power minus 1 and 1 by x are same. Then we can apply the limits. Upper limit x should be replaced by infinity minus 1 by, then x has to be replaced by 1. that is equal to minus 3. 1 by infinity equals 0, 1 by 1 that is equal to 1. That is equal to minus 3 into minus 1 that is equal to 3. Now we can find the variance of x. Therefore, variance of x equals formula expectation of x square minus expectation of x the whole square. Expectation of x square, e of x square value here it is, that is equal to 3. E of x value here it is, that is 3 by 2. So e of x square value, that is 3 minus e of x value is 3 by 2 the whole square. 3 minus 3 squared is 9, 2 squared is 4 equals 4 is the LCM. 4 into 3 12 minus 9 that is equal to 3 by 4. So expectation of x and variance of x over. Then problem number 5 is completed. I will be teaching the problem number 6 in the next video. Thank you, children.